Hi, welcome back again to this channel. If you are new to this channel um, we do travel and automotive videos. We have a lot of videos of different cars, uh, different ways to fix cars, um, and we have also a lot of travel videos. So you're welcome to check our channel, and if you feel like you like any of the videos, just hit the like button, or also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So this video here, I'm gonna show you the location of the transmission dipstick and the oil dipstick in this GMC Canyon. This GMC Canyon is similar to most Chevy Colorados. It's a similar vehicle, and this vehicle here will be 2007, 2006. So it can go up to all the way to 2015, 2014 model. Just take your engine and I'll show you the location of the oil dipstick and the transmission dipstick. Okay, we'll start with the oil dipstick. So when you come here on the driver side, you open the hood. Okay, you see, you open the hood, the latch is here, and you can support the hood right there. Then you come here on the driver's side, you'll see this yellow dipstick here. This right here, you see the battery is here. The brake fluid is right there. That's the brake fluid. That's why you put your brake fluid. The battery is inside this covered plastic. The fuses are here. So next to the battery, those are the fuses here. Inside this box here, you just open, follow the arrows and open. The batteries in there. You open, you pull this, then you release this, and the positive and the negative, and you open the battery, and that's the oil dipstick. It's right there. And if you come uh, forward here, that's where you put your oil. So you open this and you put your oil in here. And most of these vehicles, I will tell you the oil type you need is 5W30 right there. You can see. So that's the oil type for this vehicle. Just use this oil. It's recommended for this vehicle. Some people use 10W30, but just use this one is the recommended um, oil for this vehicle. Then we'll move forward here to the passenger side, and you'll see. I'll show you when you come to the passenger side. You'll see these two plastic cans here. You can see that's the windshield fluid, and that's the coolant plastic. So be very careful when you're putting in your coolant fluid. Make sure you use Dex Cool. If you go to the store, always look for Dex Cool coolant, which is, most of the time is pink in color. You can see there it's pink in color. That's the recommended coolant fluid for this vehicle, and that's where your windshield washer fluid goes, in that plastic here in the corner here. Then when you move next to from this coolant can here, you'll see this thing here. It looks like that. That's the transmission dipstick. So what you do is you pull it up like that, and you pull it out. Pull it out. It's right there. It's on the passenger side right there. You can see from a distance where it is. So that's what you use to check your transmission fluid, and make sure you check when the engine has run for a few, maybe 10 minutes when it's warm. That's when you check your transmission fluid. So basically, that's the two locations, very important locations in this vehicle to know of. If you look at it from a distance, you can see right there is a transmission dipstick right there on the left side if you're standing in the front of the vehicle, and on the right side, that yellow is the oil dipstick. Make sure you don't confuse these two because it can cause damage to your vehicle. So don't put transmission fluid in the oil and put the oil in the transmission. And for the oil, you put the oil in here. For the transmission, you put the transmission fluid inside the. When you pull this out, you put a funnel right in there, and put a funnel in there and put the transmission fluid if it's low. So that's how you take care of this vehicle here. It's good to know these are the two locations, and they don't confuse because the oil dipstick is closer to the brake. This is the brake fluid where you put your brake fluid here. So make sure you don't confuse and put your the oil inside the brake fluid. You'll damage your vehicle. So when you see that DOT3 is a type of brake fluid for this vehicle. So when you go to the store, look for DOT3 brake fluid. Most of the time it will say GM, good for GM vehicles, or Ford sometimes, but DOT3, that's the brake fluid for this car. So the dipstick here next to the brake fluid, that's for oil, and the oil goes in here. So just be careful you don't get things messed up. So this video is basically to show you those few things for this engine here. This is a very good vehicle. If you have any questions, feel free to ask there in the comment section, or if you have a comment, just leave it there in the comment section. This is a basic view about this engine here, and we'll answer any questions you have there in the comment section and explain anything that needs to be explained. Watch our other videos. I'm gonna link up another video about the oil change for this car. I'll put it there on this video, link it together so you can see how to do the oil change in this vehicle, because I saw many people asking questions about it. So let me know what you think about this video, and if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Okay, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you again in the next video. Okay, thank you, bye.